Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, new week. Let's see what's going on. There's 1 week left of this bloodbath September. So let's see what's going on. We got red futures. There's lots of stuff going on. There's lots of event. The most important thing is the PCE this week. And why this 1 minute is too far? All right. So here we go. So right now, pre-market, we went up last night. Futures were green, but then when market opened at 4 a.m., boom, it dumped. And bears are still selling. They're selling every rip up, every run up. Right now is opportunity for bears to sell more. And right now, direction is downward. 5 minutes if it's about dead cross. 15:30, 1 hour, 4 hours still downward. We got some yellow bar. Even if you get a golden cross, it's gonna be too weak because the daily is very bearish, and weekly same thing. NQ same thing. What's interesting about the NQ is that the last night got a 4 hour golden cross on this green futures last night, but then market rolled down, so that's why it's weak. It's a little bit difficult right now to trust the 4 hour golden cross with all these daily and weekly downward. Need to pay attention to the shorter time frames like 1 hour and 30 minutes for better solid direction. But the 4 hour is becoming unreliable currently. So pre-market direction 15:30 is downward, and we'll see. I mean, my NQ next target is 14,655 and 14,156. Those are the next target. TNX 2% higher. TNX is getting close to the target of 45.74. Most likely it will hit it this week. Direction is upward, very bullish on 4 hour daily and weekly. DXY a little bit green. Daily MACD is RSI is in the overbought zone, so that's something interesting to pay attention. Is power zone, it can maybe go higher. And next target there, if it continues higher, we're looking at 105,985 and 106,614. This is a major target. Most likely, it's possible to hit this week. On the other side, VIX is something interesting happening. VIX, of course, is very bullish, but the 1812 target finally reached. That's a very major level. If you go back few months, few weeks out, when market was flying up, 1812, every time market pullback was a hard level resistance support. So then we went lower, VIX went low, 13, 12, 14. Every time it tried to go to 1812, it pulled back. You can see here in August we went to 1812, 1888, then boom, it went down. So we are at the critical, very important point right now. If we do pass this level strong, then we're looking for the higher level 1865, 1951, 2037. Above that, it can run up to next major 23 and higher level. Direction on the 4 hour daily weekly is very upward. Right now for today, pre-market, 5 is already dead cross, 15 is dead cross, and 30 we got dark blue bar. So it's all about 1 hour and 4 hour. If the 4 hour dead cross confirms, then we can talk about a serious bounce up, a serious slowdown on this drop. But for now, this is a very critical point. Keep an eye on 1812. Right now we are there, and can't emphasize enough. Anyway, next one, BTC 1.5 negative. Daily we got dark blue bar, weekly is still downward, and the weekly stochastic fast is dead crossing. This one is just inside the range, going up and down. Nothing special going on. Now Apple, they got fire in India, so but it's not affecting the market too much. Not affecting it too much. It's relatively very strong compared to other names. And again, it's just going up and down between these four levels: 173, 174, 175, 82. Once it breaks 177.23, then it can get interesting. But for now, it's just going up and down. If it does break 171.96, then it can go ahead for a bigger drop. Amazon news, 4 billion they're gonna invest in blah 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 AI stuff, and the 4 hour MACD is on the edge to golden cross, which is interesting. But pressure is down on daily and weekly, and we got red bar on daily. So even though if you get a jump later on, it can be sold. Not sure how long it's gonna be jump lasting, but right now it's all about 128.72. If it does break that one, next major level 124.09. If it passes 130, if it passes 130 today at the open, and 5 minutes 15 you see MACD golden cross. Next one is 131, 132.46. Direction of 515 is downward, 30 is curve down. So If market rolls down lower, and if you see VIX 15 minutes MACD golden cross, this has chance to go to lows of 120. Nvidia, it's defending 400 very strong. Every time it comes to 410, it bounces back up. So it's a, for now it's a big support. 4 hours already golden cross, and but pressure is down on daily and weekly. So probably most likely again is gonna be yo-yo between 410 and 417 until we have a big breakout. It tried last week few times to break above 417, but it needs to pass 420 to 97 to have a valid run up. Until then, every run up to above 417, it can come back to it. 410, big support there. If it misses that one, then we can go retest lows of 400. Baba, always just, no respect for technical. It jumped up big on Friday and then again gap down today. It's just crazy. This one is really, really unpredictable. And 4 hour, we got dark blue bar. So nothing is, I mean, just hard to predict based on technical. There's so much stuff going on in China. Their real estate market is just crazy. So anyhow, BDU same thing, no exception. Gap up Friday today, opening a little bit lower. So just avoiding this for now. Netflix on the other side, they reached a deal in the Hollywood, and it has a chance maybe it jumps at open, but pre-market not showing any indication. 5 is down, 15 is down, 30 we got dark blue bar, is gapping up 1-2 points up higher. So keep an eye on this one if it jumps at open. If you see it jump at open, 9:30 when market opens, next target is 384.756 and 388.64. Keep an eye on Netflix, it does have a chance to jump at open. If it goes above 388, then run up higher, but most likely the jump will be again short term because the direction of daily and weekly is downward, and Netflix is suffering from other stuff too. So yeah, enough of Netflix. Meta, the Meta, our 4 points, 3 points lower gap down. 4 hour is showing some bearish sign. Got almost about to dead cross direction on the 15:30, and 1 hour is downward. This one is all about 292. If it whenever it breaks 292.65 is strong, then it can roll down bigger. Futures keep going lower right now. So Netflix, it is in the category of strong names. It's a money parking name right now so far this last few days, and it's been holding up strong. But 292.65 is a key level to watch. If it can hold there, we're looking at 282.3, and that's the next major level to come. 4 hour, if dead cross confirms 292.65, boom, passes lower level. But again, it's been a big point that a lot of time bounced up and went higher. If you see 15:30 MACD golden cross, go up again. Tesla gap down open, and this one next target is 239.84 and 237.9. 4 hour very, very bearish. 1 hour is signaling flashing yellow and red on the 1 hour, but direction is way down on the daily and weekly, and the 4 hour is in the oversold zone. So we'll see how long it's gonna be there, but until it's there, it has chance to go lower. 237.9 passes major level. We're looking at 232.15, 226.39 is the next major level to watch. And this one direction is very down, but I'm still believing that it will have a run up for October release number. When, we'll see. It's no sign of it yet. Microsoft, weak a little bit pre-market, but again 316, 314, 47 is defending very hard. 1 hour is golden cross pre-market. So again, if it jumps up, it's in the yo-yo range right now between 314 and 320. Once it breaks either one is stronger, then it can have a bigger move. Google, 130, just a mental level up and down. Weekly is not dead cross yet. 128, 127 need to break those for go lower. Direction again is downward pre-market. AMD 1 point lower, all about 95, 94.25. If it passes 94.25, it can go retest 91, 96 next major level. Boeing is just on a downtrend. 196.91 is a major level, is holding for now, but if it can hold it, next major level is 190.7. SPY almost 2 points lower opening today. Let me just check something. Yeah, so it's 428.62 is a major level. It's opening below it right now. If it passes 427 and 426.77, next target we're watching is 424, 423.77. And QQQ, my target of 355 is reaching almost. That's the major, very very major. If you go back in the chart and look, historic chart, you will see 355.3 was a super major level. Most likely will touch down today, and below that maybe we'll see how market react today. If it goes lower, then we're looking at 350, 345.94. What else you got here? AVGO. Nothing exciting pre-market. Let me just look at my watch list. UNH, keep an eye on it. It's very strong on 4-hour daily and weekly. So if it dips, it does have a chance to go up. Watch for 1530. If you see 1530 MACD golden cross, it can go for a run up. What else you got here? TLT keeps going lower, 89.45. If it can hold it, next target is 86.03. LLY, nothing exciting there. Futures keep going lower. NEO, they had a raising money, so the weakness there, gapping down big time. And this one is just a dead name. That's pretty much it. If there's any symbol, let me know. We took out my scanner. We got AVG, I went over it. No, nothing exciting. Okay, that's pretty much it. Again, market is opening very weak, and it does have a chance to go down. Again, as always, if you see 1530 MACD golden cross, then we can roll up. But keep in mind, algos and market makers, they are favoring puts more, so the calls aren't moving so much. So be cautious playing dips and calls. And we are 3 weeks away from new earning season coming. So at some point there is a high chance pre-earning run-up comes. But when it comes, God knows. Anyway, have a beautiful day. As always, if you like, you can sign up for State Option Service. I have 7 days free trial. And chartwiser.com, we have 1 month free trial. And have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in.